As you wish.
No one lets her up without my order.
Ma'am, you've been kneeling all night.
Master said if you just give in and admit you were wrong, he'll drop this. Here's his voice message.
Selena, I didn't mean to punish you. I just need to give Sophia an explanation. She's gonna run this family someday. Remember to put the medicine on.
An explanation?
Master's giving you a way out, so just...
Go tell him. I will never admit to something I didn't do.
How many years have you been with our family?
13 years.
13 years. When you were just a little girl, I saved you. I taught you myself.
Grandpa, I'm not being stubborn for no reason.
Lucas does have feelings for you.
I protected him for 13 years. I don't owe Lucas anything anymore. I will find the potion that cuts the bond.
I set up that bond to protect Lucas. And he hates it that much? Are you doing this for Lucas?
For myself, to buy my complete freedom.
Cutting the bond, it's happened before. But the legend says whoever goes to ask for it will lose the most important thing in their life. It could be unbearable pain, or it could be your life. For Lucas, you really don't care about yourself?
I'm willing.
Fine. I agree.
Why are you here, sister? I thought you were resting in the guest room now. I'm here to see Marcus. Are you really here to see Marcus? Or are you trying to seduce Lucas while you have the chance?
Miss Sophia, Selena come to see me. This is what you asked for, Madeline's information, but she's very mysterious. None of them came back alive.
Thank you.
Just apologize to Lucas. If you say sorry, he'll definitely let you come back. Then you won't have to go find Madeline.
You think I'm going to Madeline because I want to get back with Lucas?
Isn't that why?
No. I'm leaving him.
Selena, the first thing you do when you come here is find Marcus? Not me?
I didn't want to bother you. Besides, I have my own things to do.
Are you ignoring me? Selena, when did you start lying to me?
Lucas, don't be mad. Maybe Selena is really busy.
In such a hurry that she can't come see me?
Lucas, didn't you have something to say to Selena?
Yeah, right. From now, you stay with Sophia. Don't leave her side. Protect her.
What?
I said protect Sophia, didn't you hear me? What, you can't even take orders from me now?
Later. Make my bed. Okay. You know what? You look awful right now. Sympathy you got from lying and betraying, how long do you think that's gonna last? I think you better know. Lucas didn't just put you to protect me. He also gave me the authority to run this whole mansion. See? What's this? Who said you could go into my room? Sound bad? I just went to check out your room. This ring is so old. You never wear it anyway. You don't mind giving it to me, do you? Give it back. What are you doing?
Sophia!
Lucas, it hurt.
Selena, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't blame sister. It's my fault. I just thought the ring was pretty. So I asked if she could give it to me. Then she got angry and pushed me.
You pushed her down the steps over a cheap ring? Selena, all I asked was for you to protect her, and you're already so resentful?
She went into my room and stole it, and I never pushed her. And it's not a cheap ring, it's the only thing my parents left me.
Steal? Why would a young lady of high birth need to steal a worthless piece of rock from you? You would make up a lie like that just to avoid taking responsibility?
You won't even check the cameras? You're convicting me on her word alone?
I only believe what I see with my own eyes. Enough! Since you like scaring people so much, you should feel what she went through.
Lucas, why won't you even give Selena a chance to defend herself?
She reminds me of the first Black Panther I ever owned. I treated it so well, but it still ran away in the end. The only way to keep it by my side is to break its spirit. People and Black Panthers aren't the same.
Don't move. The test shows you're pregnant. But because you were in cold water for too long and your wounds are infected, the fetus is in critical condition. You need to rest immediately.
Pregnant?
Great! Once he hears this message, he'll bring you back to the mansion.
Put the phone down. Don't tell him.
Mrs. Selena? This is the young master's own child.
He won't care. Please.
You haven't recovered yet. Where are you going?
To find Madeline.
Lucas, I prepared a huge surprise for you. You're going to love it.
You don't need to worry me.
No, I went through a lot to get this. Gotta go, the surprise is coming right up.
Young master, there's someone at the gate who calls herself Madeline. Based on her outfit, she looks like a witch.
Madeline? Is this the surprise Sophia was talking about?
Madeline. You.
At a young lady's request, I'm giving you this potion. It severs the bond. That young lady paid a terrible price for this. She's deeply in love with you, even give up her life. I hope you won't betray her devotion. Remember, 3 days from now, drink the second vial.
I prepared a huge surprise for you. You're going to love it.
Sophia, you don't have to put yourself through pain for me.